guys, this is MD168. For today's video is unboxing. I ordered it from Temu. Something useful. So we will unbox what's inside this little baggie. Alright. What is this? It's not for my personal needs. It's something we use. Very useful. Diba? Ayan. Let's see kung sa mga laman ito. Anong mga laman? Oy, pads. Pads, guys. Panglinis. Ano ka man eh? What is this? So, let's see. Uy! It's not even in the box. I thought it's in the box. So, this is a magic eraser. Oh, yeah. It's like this. Magic eraser. I thought it's like the box. See, this is the magic eraser. It's not inexpensive. We will try this with this. It's very effective. What else? Oy, mga taming ko ito sa panglilinis. Lada! This is good for cleaning. I use this for this is pads. Lots of pads. Actually, this is good for bathroom wall. So this is good for bathroom wall. See this? This is the pad. So, oh yeah, it's stick in here. Like this. So, if you cannot reach your bathroom pad like this. Bathroom wall. It's nice. You like this on the wall. So this is my little toy. So far, how many pieces? I have 2. I have 4 of this. 2 in each bag. And then 1. How many extra pads? 2, 4, 6, 8 extra pads. I paid $4.90 on that, something like that. And then this one is on the bathtub. Anywhere, you can use it anywhere in the bathtub. It's nice. So this one, and I have one. I have this. Oh yeah, different brush. I have this. Oh yes, guys. I have different type of brush. Look. See in the corner. Like if you clean the window. Like this. So, this is a lot of different types. Cannot comb your hair, man, or your eyebrow. You can use it anything you want, anywhere you want. This one can dig in the very corner. Brush, but this is not good for toothbrush, guys, because it's not designed. So what else? Oh, I have 2 pads for this. In the surface, mostly for bathtub. And then, a duster, a little duster, guys. I ordered 2 different colors. This one is okay. This one is nice. See this? See for the corner part, this is little bend siya para maabot mo yung gilid-gilid like this in the like It's nice, handy. And this one I have red. So you pick which one you want to, you want. Kung asa ang gusto ninyo. Oh, yay. This is cheap but it's very ano din. Okay, pang best. Not nice. It's not a good quality, but okay na rin. Temu guys, it's from Temu. Okay na din. It's matyagaan pa rin yan. Pang duster siya. Pang dust. Pang upper wall dusting. So, I have lots of good tools. So far, that's all my folder. And then, I will just take out the plastic so I can dump the bags. This one also. Oh, another one. No, this is for like mirror or something. And there's another brush for something. For window, for the corner. Okay na ay metal, like a bronze. So, bisan asa ni. This is not for the teeth. So, ano lang siya guys, very good one for windows. If you want to clean something in your house, you can use those. I will take out all the plastics. So this is it. I have 2 of the dusters. So far, all good. All this stuff I bought I paid $27 on Temu. So guys, let's see ano ang mga nabili ko. Oh, there's 2 of this. So, I like what I buy. These are my tools for cleaning stuff. I have to take this out. Ito naman ay para siya pang clean. Uy! Oh yeah. It's something for cleaning. Manipis lang pala siya. How many pads? 3, 4, 2, 4, 5, 8 in 1 pack. This is pads anywhere for cleaning, mostly for cleaning. So far it's all good. I put it in 1 bag. So at least may mga gamit ako pang cleaning guys, pang cleaning dito sa mga racket ko dito sa campground. May mga tools ako for my racket. So far all good. So ayan guys, yan po ang nabili ko sa Temu. I paid all of them $27. Mahal ba or just the right amount? So guys, may mga gamit na ako pang linis. Marumi po ang aming carpet dyan. Kasi po,